Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm here with you with a card share video. So I saw this gorgeous perfume bottle die set on Spellbinder's website and I immediately fell in love with it. And I knew I wanted to purchase it to make some Mother's Day cards. And that's what I did. So I'm here to share with you a plethora of Mother's Day cards I made using this die set. Super simple and so lovely. So let me share the cards with you. So I have a bunch. So this first one here, see here, I use Anna Griffin foiled paper. Some of it is matte and some of it is not. And then I use gems from my from the stamp market. I think I shared those with you before in another video. But I think the cards turned out super sweet. Now, as far as the stamp went, I did purchase the stamp set that goes along with this. I think it's a better press, but I didn't have, Happy Mother's Day. So I went ahead and just printed these out on my computer and just used the die to cut them out. So it worked out really well. Look at that one. That's really striking. And then we have here, like I said, it's a lot. Blue, and this is just colored cardstock that I have from Joanne, the basil paper colored cardstock. And they just turned out super simple and just easy to make. The hardest part was determining which colors to use. So you can see some of them I did twice, but then I used a little different color. I tried to make them all a little bit different. This is one, it's totally different red. Red is not my favorite color. I know people love red, but I only made one red. Now this one is kind of different. So this one is using a sentiment set from Sassy's LLC. She has sentiments that she provides, I think, twice a week maybe on her. You need to check her out here on YouTube. But she printed, she made up some sets to go along with the die set. And while I like this one a lot, it was a little smaller than I wanted. So that's why I went ahead and printed my own out. But I think this is too cute too. She also has some that's just like says Happy Birthday Queen, which is super cute. So these are the cards that I made for myself. And then my friend ordered some Mother's Day cards, so I wanted to make hers a little different. So then I just used the initial of the mother that she was going to give the card to. I think these turned out really pretty too. And I love that they don't say happy. I like when cards don't say what the sentiment, the sentiment on the front, and then you can display them all year long. Not nothing, it's anything wrong with Happy Mother's Day, but I think they turned out super sweet. And on hers, I kind of layered them up a little bit more using this die set from Spellbinders. I'll list the name of the die set below if you're interested in it. But those are my Mother's Day card for 2025. I do have some other cards that I made for Mother's Day, but I'll share those in another video. So let me know what you think before. And once again, this is Spellbinder's Gorgeous You perfume bottle. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a current subscriber, thank you. And consider subscribing if you're not. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.